Darren shooting it or you?
I am.
Survival tool, actually.
Alright. It's basically set. Go ahead, take a sight picture. Watch out where you move to. Because I was trying to sight at that watermelon for you. Do you see it?
No. I probably just bumped the hell out of it. Oh, yeah, there it is.
Alright, you see it? It's right at the bottom of the thing, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Now, keep it's set about 6 inches of eye relief, otherwise it's going to deck you in the head, alright?
I don't want a cookie cutter.
Yeah. Make sure you hold it tight to your shoulder. Alright. It's got a really light trigger. Alright. As soon as I load it, it's going to have, the safety's going to go on, alright? On this side, you're going to have to flip the safety down. See this over here? And then it's got a light trigger pull. Alright? I'm going to load it for you. Alright. Take the safety off and you're good to go.
One on the right.
The one on the right.
Yeah! Oh, Jesus!
I got melon.
That was great. Awesome. That was great, Thomas.
Huh?
You
want the other one?
The other
Sure.
little melon.
You want to try and sight it in? Or you want me to do it?
Sure, hold on.